One of the last jobs I want to do at the time being is, as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, is remount the camera. Now the action camera I used to have, I just used to put on the handlebar here, but it kind of sticks up a bit and I wasn't too keen on it. I've actually spray coated this black. This used to be transparent, so I've sprayed this black, and the idea is to have the tool bag and then the camera sort of tucked down behind the tool bag, so it's just sort of sticking up over the bag, so it's not going to be quite as noticeable, and also it's still going to hopefully take some decent shots of riding along. Obviously if I'm doing, you know, the video blogging, then I have an attachment for the helmet, which is fine, but just general day-to-day videoing, this is what I want to do. Now, I'll just put this down a moment, a second. So originally the plan was just to take this bolt out. This is a metal camera mount that I've had lying about, so I've drilled, countersunk a hole here, and the idea was just to put this straight on, flat onto here. But of course if I'd done that, this was in the way of me actually putting the camera into the mount. So what I've had to do is build up a back piece. Now this is actually just 4 washers glued together and then attached by glue to the back of the mount. So we're going to take this bolt out here, put a countersunk bolt here similar to the ones I've been using elsewhere, attach this on, and hopefully the camera will then fit into place, and then when we put on the roll bag and attach that, it's going to cover all the basic workings but still allow access to the camera. That's the plan anyway. So this bolt out, this on, and we'll see if it works. So that's it in place. So that's the camera, nicely placed for a frontal film. The tool bag keeps it secure. There's still room enough for me to take the camera itself out the back. It's not interfering with anything important, so it's not going to get in the way. And I think it just adds a bit more to sort of the rugged look of it. Looks okay and isn't just sticking out on the handlebars. So we're going to leave that and see how that goes. I think that looks okay. Obviously I need to go out and test the picture, make sure there's no vibration, because not too much vibration anyway, which there shouldn't really be because it's anchored onto the main frame, so it should be solid enough. Yeah, quite happy with that. I think that works quite well.